it's Vicky's up here. Welcome back to my channel. So for this particular design, I'm gonna make a thunderbolt design, but with a different pattern, like in a different pattern, different from the previous video. If you've not seen that video, make sure to check it out. So for this particular one, first thing I'm gonna do is just trace it out with a pencil. So now that I'm done tracing, I'm gonna use this to outline the trace, or the line rather. So I'm gonna start cutting it accordingly. Alright guys, so now that I'm done placing, I'm gonna heat up the iron and start ironing it on, like so that it sticks together. So I'm not gonna lie, this was a bit tricky, but once you're done, it's so worth it. I'm sure it's so gonna be worth it. So now that my iron is heated, I'm gonna start pressing it down. I'm gonna use this light piece of cloth just to be safe, and I'm gonna continue to iron it. So basically the materials you need is the scissors to cut this chain lace, a kind of stencil. You can actually just print it out from the internet, a pencil for tracing, and some a little piece of cloth just to iron it on to make sure it doesn't burn your cloth, and of course an iron. So that's basically the things you need for this particular DIY. So guys, this is the final look. I'm so sorry I couldn't film everything, but I used fabric glue to just glue this on, which I'm gonna stitch afterwards still. So this is the final look.